Good morning to everybody. Myself, Professor D.S. Rai, Head Department of Civil Engineering. I have 39 years experience, out of which 33 years experience are from the field. I have completed my MTech program from IIT Kanpur. After retirement from PWD, I have joined here as a faculty. Now I am teaching transportation engineering. 17 MTech research scholars have completed their MTech program under my guidance. Up till now, 34 papers have been published in national and international journals. I am member of many professional organizations. I am fellow of Institution of Engineers. I am fellow of Institution of Valuers, life member of Indian Road Congress, life member of Indian Water Works Association. Babu Banarsi Das National Institute of Technology is a premier institute in India. Civil Engineering Department was established in 2007 and first batch was passed out in 2011. This department has a unique track record. So, Civil Engineering Department is one of the best departments in civil engineering in northern India. There are 15 faculties in the Civil Engineering Department. Each faculty is expert of their subjects. Faculties are research oriented and doing research in many subjects. Apart from blackboard classroom, we have Zoom classroom, Google classroom, Google Meets arrangement for e-learning of the student. During this corona period, we have already conducted nearly 378 classes on Zoom and Google Meets for the students. And we have completed all the courses during this corona lockdown. We have well-equipped 11 civil engineering labs along with lab technicians. We have fluid mechanics, hydraulic and hydraulic machine lab, transportation engineering lab, concrete lab, building material lab, geotechnical lab, surveying lab, geoinformatics lab, structural analysis lab, and environmental engineering lab. Their labs are well equipped and all in working order. A student can learn from this lab in many ways. Faculty are good and they have good knowledge of lab that deliver to the student in a very good manner so that a student can learn easily. Technicians help them in learning process of the lab. Civil engineering students participated in many curricular activities. They have participated in cultural events of many organizations and they have bagged trophy and medals from there. The students have a very good record in sports also. The students of civil engineering have bagged many medals continuously in the sports in different level of competition.